There is one grab bar up here too, just so you know.
Alrighty. You just get like, maybe get one leg in first.
Yeah, you still had to be like, go figure out what it wants to do. It's a unique one. That's literally as far forward as you can go.
So if you were to go down there, how would you get out?
I'll show you. Since you can go down this way.
Alright, you want to be here?
Yes, and see like you get the ladder.
Oh, okay.
At least for starters, you have a ladder. Seems to be best to go. There's still a ladder. Yeah, you get a ladder up until this level.
At least it looks like it shortens up a bit.
Yeah. Here he goes back this way now too. More sorry, he said.
Yeah. Hey, Thomas, what are we doing in here?
We're inspecting the peak tank, which is the very forward part of the ship. As far down and forward as you can go.
All right, well, let's see how far down we are. There's the bottom. In fact, my headlamp won't even penetrate the darkness. There we go. Yeah, I think it's
to go forwards.
I think it's time for new batteries now.
Welded and grinding. That's
All right. Well, yeah. So what's this going to be for?
Over there on the other deck, opposite here, did you see that big? It's a.
The battery locker.
Yeah, battery. Yeah. It's something to do with that. The whole space it out from the wall. I guess they're gonna.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure. I was welding over there the last time I was here, but it's something to do with that.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you. I'm gonna go visit everybody else.
Yep.
just doing what I'm told. I'm just cutting off the projections here to clean this up so they can put new mounts on it, that's all.
All right, we are rolling. What are you guys working on today?
The cape gun projection.
All right. All right, just so everyone knows who we're looking at, who are you guys?
I'm Gene Jackie.
Earl Hirschenroder.
Now, how often do these things need to be repainted and worked on?
I don't
know.
I
That's
don't
the
think
first
they've
time
ever
we've done it.
been done before.
Yeah, so that's not bad. It's at least, was it 25 years? The last ones lasted. The other ones were wooden, right?
Yes.
Not bad. Hey guys, what's up?
Hey,
What are you working on?
trying to fit this door, replacement door. All the dogs have to be redone. New hinges, new weather strip.